Hi everyone, I'm Joel and I will be talking about 5 of the most beautiful rainforests in the world. Monteverde Cloud Forest, Costa Rica. The Monteverde Cloud Forest Reserve was established in 1972 and initially covered some 810 acres of forest land. Nowadays, its protective reach extends over 35,089 acres and encompasses 8 life zones atop the continental divide. There are over 100 species of mammals, 400 species of birds, and 1,200 species of amphibians and reptiles living within its bounds. It's one of the few remaining habitats that support all 6 species of the cat family. World's oldest rainforest, the Dain Tree Forest. The Dain Tree Rainforest is a landscape with striking diversity, from the dense rainforest and mountain ranges to fast-flowing streams and waterfalls. With such a rich array of flora and fauna set among stunning scenery, there is a rich and colorful world we're waiting to be discovered. It's the largest rainforest in Australia. The region referred to as the Dain Tree Rainforest encompasses an area of approximately 1,200 square kilometers. The world's largest rainforest, Amazon rainforest. What is the Amazon rainforest known for? The Amazon rainforest is the world's richest and most varied biological reservoir, containing several million species of insects, plants, birds, and other forms of life, many still unrecorded by science. The luxuriant vegetation encompasses a wide variety of trees. Why is the Amazon so important? Home to more than 10% of the world's known wildlife species, the Amazon's diverse forests, rivers, and savannas harbor the greatest known richness of species than any other ecosystem. With over 100 new species discovered each year, the Amazon is still revealing its secrets. Arashiyama Bamboo Grove. Bamboo Forest, Arashiyama Bamboo Grove, or Sagano Bamboo Forest, is a natural forest of bamboo in Arashiyama, Kyoto, Japan. The forest consists mostly of moso bamboo and consists of several pathways for tourists and visitors. The Ministry of the Environment considers it a part of the soundscape of Japan. National Park, Scotland. Scotland's first national park, a place where the lowlands and highlands meet, with varied scenery of rolling lowland and landscape. These landscapes create a diverse range of habitats for a variety of wildlife, including red squirrels, black grouse, golden eagles, osprey, pine marten, and others.